Hey, I just wanted to show off a little tool I made for automatically applying import settings to assets that are added to your Unity project. One of the things I find really annoying about Unity is that every time I import a new asset, I have to mess around with these import settings here. And usually, if I have a bunch of the same asset, I want the import settings to be the same, with maybe some small adjustments for a few of them. It does help a bit that I can do multiple selection and apply settings this way, but over the lifetime of your project, you're going to be constantly importing new assets. You're not just going to be doing all the importing in one go. So it is a bit of unnecessary labor to be required to go through this procedure, applying the same settings every time you add a new asset. And that is what my package is supposed to solve. It's called default import settings. And what this apply on import checkbox means is that it will take the template you specify, grab the import settings, and the moment that you drag in a new asset of the same type, or if you duplicate an existing asset of the same type, it will take those import settings and apply it to the new asset. I will demonstrate how that works. So let's say we want car crash as our audio template, and I want preload audio data and load in background to always be false when I import new sound, and I do not care about any of the other settings. So I will just have the correct settings for load in background and preload audio data in car crash, and then I will check those two tick boxes here. Now when I drag in a new sound, you'll see that these two are both false. If apply on import was not on, and I drag in a new sound, it'll basically do what would normally happen. It would just take the Unity defaults and apply them. I think that would save at least myself a bit of time. This package also handles models and textures, and it does it exactly the same way. Another thing you can do is, if you already have a lot of imported assets and you just want to apply the defaults to them, then you can press apply audio to selected, and now see load in background preload audio data. It's false for those, and same for models, same for textures. And that is essentially everything that my package does. I hope you find it useful. Thank you very much for watching.